Hi, and welcome to my presentation of Call of Duty Black Ops 2 versus Manuel Noriega. I watched this over a podcast, and between reading different articles, this is the partake of it that transpired in 2014. It's between Activision Blizzard, who is a popular developer of the franchise Call of Duty Black Ops 2. What has transpired is a man named Manuel Noriega, former Panama dictator, is in lawsuit against Activision Blizzard over the video game Call of Duty, Black Ops 2 specifically. Noriega claims Activision used his likeness without permission within the game. Noriega, an enemy of the state and notorious dictator who is in prison for crimes he's committed against his own people. These crimes include being convicted of murder and drug smuggling. New York City Mayor and U.S. Attorney Rudy Giuliani, who will serve as co-counsel to Activision, makes this very clear, and this attack is, as he quotes, quite simply, it's absurd. However, the case is extremely important as it focuses on free speech. Video games are in fact entitled to the same protection as movies and books under the First Amendment, said Giuliani. Ultimately, if Noriega wins, it would place historical, fictitious genre in jeopardy. It would metaphorically open the floodgates for other historical figures to sue over their depictions in games, movies, TV shows, and books, as quoted by Giuliani. Ultimately, a California Superior Court judge ruled a victory for Activision Blizzard and tossed out the former Panamanian dictator Manuel Noriega's lawsuit. Some viable good takeaways from this case would be to take note of using likeness of people within your project or within your production per se. If you use a likeness or any similarity, it would be a good idea to either consult the people that you are seeking out or reference that you are using. However, if you are in the state of how, like Activision Blizzard with Call of Duty, Black Ops 2, then essentially it does fall under the First Amendment of free speech and being able to use it for creative reasons. They weren't intentionally using it directly of him, however, it portrayed in a fictitious role. These are my references. I appreciate you watching up to this point. Have a great day.